things we know.
Alright, this is Tyrell and Rollin again. We're back working on an 03 Chevy 1500 with 5.3 liter. We're going to show you how to check your engine operating temperature and verify that your gauges are working properly. So right here you can see that our gauge is showing around 197. So here below, our hand scan tool we got here is reading about 185. We also got an infrared thermometer gun here. We're going to check it right next to your engine coolant temp sensor. Right down there. And we're getting a reading about 174.1.
A little side note I wanted to talk about on this one would be you can see three different readings between you know, your infrared gun, your scan tool, and the actual gauge, but this test would really only work well if you're trying to verify, you know, that an engine operating temperature isn't super low or an engine operating temperature isn't super high or anything crazy like that. A matter of 10 degrees like we're seeing here on these different gauges is just kind of nature of the test.
So your infrared thermometer is going to probably be the least accurate of all of them. You have to hold them about 6 inches away, and different hot temperatures around it might be influencing it. The best way to check it is going to be with an enhanced scan tool like we got here with a snap-on verdict. There you go, that's how you check your engine coolant temperature.
Wow.